SOAR stock analysis, massive update. Is it a buy or not? I'll be breaking this down in this quick 1 minute video. Now, having done well over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. I mean, clearly just to say that with Volato group, this thing is still a buy for me, but it's not my bad. Like, it's not a buy. It's sell side prediction that I had beforehand. You know, when the price was here, I was like, if I see a double break, looking to take it down. It went down for sure, never giving me the double break or anything, but directionally I was correct. All I'm doing here, man, just to let you know, is just I'm sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos, 5 years of experience of seeing what's, you know, what's working for me, what's not. And like, needless to say, just like a bearish market, I have like no personal ill intentions towards SOAR. It's just that it's an actual true bearish market, and here's the supply zone. So what's the likelihood the price keeps going down? Very, very high for me. And if you ask me, like, but when would you be bullish? Well, I would at least want to see break above $3, right? Like a full candle close and all that good jazz. But right now, it's not there. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to get out of this